Guys, here's a great shop tip. One thing that I always notice when I'm doing glue ups here on the shop is that I never have enough clamps, or I wish I had a third hand. So to solve that third hand problem, I made these 90-degree clamping jigs, and it basically helps me align casework. It assists with dry fitting, glue ups. It also keeps things square and prevents racking. These clamps, they basically resemble a framing square, right? It's just 90 degrees. And they can be clamped easier than a framing square because you got the 3/4 to clamp to and some square edges and a circle here. These things basically keep things aligned. And to make them, I just basically use some square, some factory edge scrap plywood I had here in the shop. Use a framing square to chew things up. I drill a circle through it because you can get a clamp in there, but also it helps you hang it up on the wall if you need to. It's a great for hanging. The inside corner, if you notice on this, is clipped right here. There's a 45-degree clip right there, and that's to ease pressure on the corner of, say, a face frame or casework. Also to not cause issues with misalignments or to interfere with any glue squeeze out. So that's why I clipped that corner like that. These are just clipped because I just did that. And then these right here, these 90s allow for clamps to get in different positions. The disadvantage of this jig is that it can only really be used on inside corners. Look, if you guys enjoyed this video tip, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Look, you don't have to do any of those things, but at least subscribe and hit the notification bell. Stay healthy, stay safe, guys. We'll see you at the next shop tip.